Hey guys, EVC the grass right here. That means Dad has brought something for himself. So I'm just gonna walk over here and I'm gonna show it to you guys. Oh my gosh, there's so many cars passing by. Hi. I'm just gonna step back like right here and let me show you. Boom! It's a Toyota car. By the way, this is a Toyota car. Levi's a Toyota. I can't show you guys yet. Press Dad, can you cover the license plate for me? This is a Toyota Camry car. By the way, my dad is covering the license plates because somebody can just steal the car. Yeah, it's looking all shiny in there. By the way, I want you guys to look inside. Pretty nice. By the way, you can also see myself. Hi. There's a little paper thing right there too. Yeah. Oh, thanks, Dad.
I don't want to go to the window.
Here's a little bit of look inside the car. It's very neat.
I don't want to chance it to see.
It smells so really nice in here too. Yeah, this is a Toyota. I don't want to press this because it's gonna make a honking sounds.
Well, I don't know.
Whoa. Seatbelt clip here. There's a little bit of
Look what it says here.
Do not roll down. Roll or wash windows for 3 to 5. Okay, that's why. What will happen if it dirty?
Whoa.
Oh, there's a film there. And
Whoa, this thing has a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 seats.
it off and I have to do it again.
And it smells really nice in here. I think I said that already. Thing.
New car smell.
It says.
I like new car.
It says do not roll down.
Stop it.
It's okay.
It says roll down. It says do not roll down or wash around us for 3 to 5 days. Thank you. This is a very nice car, Dad.
You like it?
Is there like a little thing? Oh, that.
And my brother's had to fly his kite.
If I don't go too far.
Also, you can open the other doors too. It also says the reading around here too. Right
This
there
is
too.
nice, Dad.
You can sit down.
You really did make a good deal.
Wait, I wonder if I can.
What is this?
Watch your toes.
Yeah, they're all they're inside.
What's what? That's
My
the
toes. What's this?
that's the price tag. Look at it. It's alright. I gotta keep an eye on this part. Good. You guys can stay here.
Whoa.
You go after Levi. I'll keep an eye on Davey.
Yeah.
Whoa. So this is a very nice car. This is a very nice car in here. It's so brand new, and it's just for my dad. The wheel is very nice. Also, I have my brother, my oldest brother in the back seat. He's look at everything. There's even so many good cup holder in here. Whoa! That's pretty cool. There's a little, pathway so where I can put my foot. Oh, there's the, I think, I don't know what that thing is. This is very nice, very nice. You can also turn the temperature too. Wow. This is very nice. And the thing also says do not roll down window for 3 to 5 days. Pretty nice in here. I think my brother's coming in. I gotta sit in the other seat. How can I get out of here?
Where's he going?
All right, fellas, come out.
All right.
This is really nice. It costs you a total of about 25
Whoa!
grand.
I almost
No,
fell
not
down.
25, 20.
By the
It costs
way,
20,
never
20.
never
No,
put your finger.
that's the manufacturer's suggested
Never put
price.
your
They
Oh.
can ask that price.
never
or
put
higher
your
or lower.
fingers up right here because
Huh?
you might
No, you
squish your
negotiate the
fingers
price.
into something.
That's it. 24, 19.
All right, this is a
All right,
pretty
come on,
nice
come on.
car.
Everybody come, boys.
Nice here.
Well, when we
Here's another look at the car.
We'll take it for a ride.
Yes.
Then I don't care if Levi
Messes with it or anything?
put down the windows.
Okay, well, that's fine.
All right, come on. It's hot. This one side.
All right, guys. So thank you
Levi,
for Thank you for watching this video, and see you guys then. This is Tawa, and I'm setting out.
Baba, come on.
Bye, guys. Oh gosh, it's really hot and sweaty out here. I'm so sweaty right now.
Come on, buddy.
Look at this car. It's so good. Oh yeah, like I said, bye.
The